Our first stop is the ancient age. One of the greatest inventions during this period was the wheel. The wheel made transportation easier and helped people move goods from one place to another. Today, it remains an essential part of our daily lives. In the Philippines, vehicles such as jeepneys, buses, motorcycles, and bicycles all depends on the wheel. Without it, travel and trade would be much slower.
Our next stop is the Middle Age. During this time, the printing press was invented. It made it possible to produce books and educational materials much faster than before. This invention helped me spread knowledge around the world. Today, books, newspapers, and learning materials continue to support education in the Philippines. Our final stop is the modern age. One of the most important technologies of our time is the internet. It has changed the way we communicate, learn, work, and access information. In the Philippines, the internet is widely used for online classes, business, banking, entertainment, and staying connected with family and friends.
Good evening, sir. I'm Jake Malanges, and I'm here to continue the second question.
Okay, go ahead. What's the second question?
How has science and technology made your life easier?
Um, I, I think science and technology have made my life easier by helping me learn through online resources, communicate instantly with other people, and use modern transportation. They save time and make everyday life more comfortable.
Good evening, sir. I am Juan Giovanni Del Gente, and I have a question for you.
Good evening, sir. And I'm also Edward Maligro. Go ahead, what is the question?
Question is, which invention has the greatest impact on your daily life and why?
I think the greatest impact in my daily life was the internet because um, I use I use it for studying and also communicating to my friends, family, and loved ones, and also finding information. It makes me many daily tasks faster and more convenient.